Hello, my friends, Kalimera. A bit windy day in northern Greece at Halkidiki. Halkidiki! So therefore we use this opportunity not to go to the beach, but for some shopping of elementary supplies only. We'll be going to the new Lidl located at the roundabout where the highway through Kassandra ends, somewhere in between of Kassandreia and Kalithea. Everything is K here in Kassandra, Kalithea, Kassandreia. But then there is also Aphitos, Polychrono, Hanioti, Pevkopori, Palini, Furka, Siviri, etc. And even one Agios Nicolau, if I'm not mistaken. I see some cars parked in front of the clubs. Yesterday, actually the night before, we've heard, Friday evening, we've heard some music from the clubs. But I really don't expect that there were so many clubbers there. But the music was quite loud. Let's get loud! Let's get loud! Although I have to say that Greeks, I didn't see that they really do some social distancing. On the contrary, most of the Greeks here in northern Greece, I mean, at least from what we have seen, they behave like there is no corona and like there is no tomorrow. No, like there is no corona. Even for my taste, this is, although you know that I'm relatively relaxed with regards to corona, but even for my taste, this is a bit too relaxed. Yesterday I was recording some footage from the Polychrono village, and the restaurants at the beach, I mean practically only few of them I've noticed that there are waiters wearing masks. Okay, this is all outside, I have to say, but still, I mean, even outside, if you're a waiter, maybe I would expect them to wear masks, especially because it was the evening. Maybe during the day, because the sun is actually killing everything, at least this is my theory. Maybe not necessarily during the day, the hottest time of the day, but in the evening, honestly speaking, I would expect them to wear masks. There were some, but you can see the video, I mean, to compare for yourself how many of them were wearing masks compared to and plus there was one taverna. It seems that this taverna is quite popular because in all other places there were not more than 20% of tables occupied, and some were even less. But this one was practically fully occupied, and people were literally sitting next to each other, I mean, back to back as well. I mean, amazing. I mean, it's not amazing, but this is typical Greece. I mean, typical Greek taverna, but still, there is definitely no distance between the tables. No tables were taken out in order to increase the distance, or at least no tables were marked as non-eligible for sitting. I don't know, I hope that all this relaxed behavior is not going to cause any serious damage. I hope primarily because of ourselves, because we plan to spend some time here. Apparently so far so good, you know, I mean, with regards to Greece, one of the best countries in terms of COVID, I mean, fighting COVID, I have to say. Okay, according to my theory, the sun is also helping them a lot, but also there are other sunny countries that are, I mean, suffering a lot. So this is what we have left the Kalithea, and now driving direction Kassandreia, but this Lidl is halfway through. We will be entering the roundabout, and then there is an exit to this access road here. As you can see, the Lidl, they respect some rules about the number of visitors, but to me, considering the number of cars, there are very few cars, I don't expect there will be a problem. So you have to wait outside if there are a certain number of people inside, which is good. Not many people wearing masks inside, I have to say, which is not good. But at least they don't let many people in, so from that perspective I would say it is okay. It is very okay. Whether this place is closer, you see now some people are waiting outside. I hope that they are not waiting for the opening of Lidl, because it's Sunday, so we might have come early actually. Yes. So let's take a closer look how much more we'll have to wait. So 15 minutes. Let's see the working hours. Sunday. Sunday from 11. Usually it's from 10. That's why I was a bit confused. So whether to wait 15 more minutes or come back later. Let's go for some more ride and we'll come back later. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.